Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2008 Yamaha R1 that I want to show you. It's a really nice bike. It's a very fast bike. All you sport bike riders out there know exactly what I'm talking about with the R1. It's a 1000cc inline liquid cooled 4-cylinder with a 6-speed that will scream like a dang banshee. It will fly. It's got dual front disc brakes, excellent tires, composite style front fender there, or carbon fiber. I'll get it right here in a minute maybe. All the plastic looks real good on this bike. I didn't see, well, I see a little spot right here, a little bit of rash right there, and a little scratch here. But I don't see any breaks or cracks anywhere in it. Don't see any kind of scratches in the frame. There might be another tiny little scratch here in the plastic around that bolt. All the frame and all up here on the tank looks real good. It's gotten kind of dusty out here today. Really nice shape. The thing runs great. It's got 10,642 miles on it. It's kind of cold. I just pulled it out here. Ran through a little bit of mud, or not mud, but a little water spot a while ago and drew some specks up on it. You can see the rear tires got plenty of tread. I believe that's upgraded exhaust on this bike. Monoshock design there on that rear swing arm. You can see the body over here looks real good. No cracks or breaks anywhere. A little frame slider. See any indication that it's ever been down. Let's see, there's that's just a little piece of fuzz. The only scratches I saw on it were over on the other side. I love the way these things sound. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Or go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike went through our shop and it was checked out, and she is ready to rock. Got some excellent extended warranty options on it. Got some finance options available. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.